Skillplate review and tutorial. Hello, if you have been searching for an online course builder that allows you to incorporate AI, it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and allows you to create practically any digital product and start selling right away. It also has numerous other features, but there are some pullbacks. For example, when it comes onto the pricing, and I'll be discussing all of the pros and cons. I'll be walking you through the platform so you can see if it is the proper fit for you. Now let's dive in. What is Skillplate? Skillplate is a platform that is created for online creators that would like to, for example, create a course, or if you would like to sell digital products. One of the standout features when it comes onto Skillplate is you have numerous options. And what do I mean by that? This is how the dashboard will look, by the way, once you're signed up. And full disclosure, while you can sign up for completely free on Skillplate as it offers a 7-day free trial period, to get started you'll need a credit card or a debit card to sign up. But don't worry, they won't charge you until after the 7-day trial period. And before signing up, I want you to watch this tutorial as I'll be showing you a workaround when it comes onto pricing. So, for example, if we were to select products from the left-hand menu option, you can see that you can create numerous products. For example, you can create an online course, you can create community, and you can also sell ebooks or download. So there are numerous options that you have. And to create a product, it is quite straightforward and easy. All you need to do is tap on new product in the top right-hand corner. From there, if it is a case that you would like to create an online course, you can select online course. After you have selected online course, you can give your course a name. So for example, let's say I want to create a course about YouTube. So I could type in YouTube right there. Then what kind of course are you creating? You can choose from any one of the options right here. So let's say, for example, I want to create a course. As you can see, there are numerous different categories you can choose from. Say, for example, I want to create one on business. All you need to do now, you can either select create and you can create it manually, or you could use their AI feature by tapping on generate course. And you can see the Skillplate AI is creating the course right there. And you'll just give it a few seconds. And in between, you can minimize it and you can continue looking around the platform. And again, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, you can also see the option where you'll be able to bundle all of the different products that you have created and you can offer it as a bundle. And if it is a case that you would like to create a stunning landing page, which I do recommend, you can tap on website from the left-hand menu option. And from there, you can select landing pages. After selecting landing pages, you can tap on add a theme. Once you have tapped on add theme, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can scroll down and you can see numerous different landing pages that you can choose from. As you can see right there, you can see the theme store. And all you need to do is select one of these options. So for example, let's say we were to select this one. See how it looks. See how it looks right there. And by the way, I'll be creating other tutorials showing you how to set it up. So this is how it would look. And if it is to your liking, you'll simply tap on add theme. And that is how you'll be able to create a landing page. One of the pullbacks when it comes onto Skillplate at the moment, they only offer Stripe as their payment option. So if we were to select payment, you can see right here where you'll be able to add Stripe. And also when it comes onto branding, it is quite easy to create your own custom branding. So for example, you can replace the logo and Firecon. You can also change the theme as you can see right there. So you can customize it to your liking. So it is very customizable, easy to use. As you can see right here, the dashboard is quite straightforward. And also it offers one payment option, which is a pullback. And now let's talk about the pricing option. When it comes onto Skillplate, if we were to go onto their pricing page, you can see right here, let's scroll up. You can get started for $79 per month. With this $79 per month, you'll be able to add 5,000 contacts and 1,000 active users. So for example, if you were to create an online community using this platform, you will only be able to accept 1,000 active users on that community if you were to use the $79 per month option. With Skillplate, you'll also be able to host or store your videos. So they offer 25 hours of video storage, and you can see you'll be getting 15,000 minutes of streaming. And with their basic plan for $149 per month, you will be able to host 5,000 active users, and you can see that you'll be getting more video storage and so on. But when I talked about the pricing at the intro and I said be sure to watch it until the end, with Skillplate is that it is an AppSumo software. With AppSumo, they offer lifetime deals. And if you're wondering what does AppSumo lifetime deals mean, as you can see right here, this is basically a one-time payment option for access to the software for life. And with Skillplate, you can do that for example, the first tier would be $79. So you would pay $79 once, and you'll get access to Skillplate forever. And you will be able to use their 5,000 contacts, and you'll be able to add 1,000 active users. The only pullback when it comes onto the AppSumo option, which will allow you to have it for a lifetime, is they'll take a commission. As you can see right here, they'll take 10% commission fee. So that means that if you were to, for example, make $100 off a sale, Skillplate would take $10. So that is a pullback. But if it all depends on you. If it is a case that you see that suitable, because remember, you'll only be paying $79, and instead of paying the $79 per month, you'll only be paying that one time. So if it is a case that the commission fee is okay with you, you can explore this option, and I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to try it out. With AppSumo, you can also choose your video storage hours, and you can see the price will go up, and you can scroll across and you can see different tiers, and the higher up you go in tier or pricing is the less the commission will be. So for example, if you were to go to their most expensive tier, which would be tier 5, they'll only take a commission of 5%. If you were to go onto their monthly plan, you'll only pay the $79, and according to their FAQ, they'll only take 1% commission. So if you were to go onto their regular monthly plan, they'll only take 1% commission from the checkout amount. So you have two different options. So I just wanted to bring that to you. And you can also see right here, I recommend that you check out their FAQ. You can also read more about their platform. You can see that they are planning to bring in live events and webinars soon. And you can also use their platform for pre-sales and fundraisers, coaching and consulting. As I said earlier, you can use it to bundle all of your products, and you can create digital products, for example, eBooks and templates to sell. And you can see the different features of Skillplate right here. And as I said earlier, there is only one payment method at the moment, which is Stripe. If you're interested to try it out, I've left a link below, and thank you for watching this tutorial.